Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair the JBL Tuner 3 with your iPhone. So first, let's go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, we want to go over and make sure that our Bluetooth is enabled. Here we have the speaker. As you guys can see, it's turned on. And all we have to do is click the Bluetooth button right here to get it into the pairing mode. Now it's here in the other devices. We just click on it. And as you guys can see, we are successfully connected to our JBL tuner. And check this out, whenever I change the volume here, it will also change here. So this is a little fun fact about the speaker. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.